Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Google account. Do that now. Open Settings or Chrome, then tap Accounts or your profile icon. This is where sync lives. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is active and confirm the account you want to use because multiple accounts can confuse sync. Once signed in, glance at device updates and storage. Low space or outdated OS can block syncing. You're initiating the process. Sign, verify connection, and select the intended Google account. Now focus on enabling and customizing sync. In Account Settings, tap Sync or Sync in Google Services. Toggle the main sync switch on. Then choose Manage Sync to control specific data types. This saves bandwidth and privacy. Select Gmail, Contacts, Calendar, Drive, Chrome, and Photos as needed. If you use Chrome, sign into the browser too and enable sync there so bookmarks and passwords flow. Make choices based on storage and network. Turn off heavy items. Finish by confirming sync completed. Open Account Sync and note the last sync time or hit Sync Now to force an update. If items fail, check your password and two-step verification. Make sure app-specific passwords are used where required. Also verify network strength and available storage because full drives stop uploads. If problems persist, clear the app cache, restart the device, and remove then re-add the account. One key tip: check Google account security alerts. They often reveal blocked sync attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.